Hello guys! Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a paper airplane with a single sheet of notebook paper. First, we're going to start by folding your paper in half vertically, making sure that the edges line up and you crease the sides. Then, fold your top edge to the folded edge to make a triangle. With this, make sure to repeat on the other side. Then, open your paper back up and fold the entire top triangle made by the two layers down. Now, fold this top right corner just about an inch above the bottom point of the triangle and do the same thing on the other side, landing both of those on the center crease. Then, fold this entire tab back up over those layers before folding your plane in half away from yourself. And then finally, fold the wings, landing them on that left edge, and once again, doing the same thing on the other side. Now you're ready to fly. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helps.